All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the main for the Aaron Jones, Devontae Adams autograph. So we'll check the time, February 23rd at 11:23 a.m. We're going to go over to the main and type live. And we have February 23rd at 11:23 a.m. There is the list of our 11 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jeremy. Spot 6 is our winner. So, Jeremy, please message me to collect your autograph. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 23rd, 11:24 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.